Careful, sweetie. You're not even wearing jeans. You should be wearing jeans. Actually, you should get down. It's not our tree. True. No. Careful, okay? Say hi, tree.
I love climbing.
Yeah, you should wear jeans doing that, though.
I can climb trees. Even I don't know.
This tree stays this beautiful for like a week. You know, 1 week is 7 days.
Mommy, how do you climb a tree?
Well, I'm not going to show you because I'm
Pregnant?
pregnant. Yes, I'm pregnant. Is that Sean and Daddy? You want to pull one flower down to smell it? Hmm?
Yeah.
So we have to watch your words.
Thank you.
Here. Here you go. Do a little photo of me and you. Here. Right here. Go here. Right between these. Right here. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Smell good? Does it smell good? Well, don't pull it off. You just smell it.